Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bookie's World Kitchen YouTube channel. To my old subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. To anyone that will come across my YouTube channel, please like, share, tell your friends and families about my YouTube channel. We're gonna be doing a lot together on my YouTube channel. You're gonna learn a lot on this YouTube channel. So today guys, I will be making sweet potato and unripe plantain porridge. Guys, this recipe tastes so delicious. Trust me, you need after watching this video, please make sure you try this. It's very sweet. It tastes so good and so delicious. Stay tuned guys and watch. Note, please do not forget to click on the notification bell. Whenever I upload a new video, you will get notified and you will be seeing my latest videos. Thank you guys. So guys, these are what I'm gonna be making use of. I have 2 bell pepper, hot habanero pepper, garlic, ginger, onions, and I also have crayfish, dry fish. So I'm using 4 plantains, but on the screen you could see just 3 plantains. Behind the camera, I'm actually using 4 plantains and 1 sweet potato. Plantain into the pot and add a little bit of water. While the plantain is boiling, I will be cutting the onions or dicing the onions. Also, I'm making use of frozen spinach, which I unfroze. So I'm actually trying to cut it into smaller size, and this is optional guys. You can as well use fresh vegetables or spinach. It doesn't have to be frozen spinach. Also on the list is roasted or grilled mackerel fish. Now our plantain is ready. I'll be adding the sweet potato, pepper mix, onions, palm oil, or you use olive oil optional, blended garlic and ginger, Also, I'll be adding white pomo. You can use any pomo of your choice. It's optional. If you don't have pomo, you don't have to use it. It's optional, guys. So now, guys, I'll be mashing the porridge a little bit. Please do not over mash because we still want to see that solid plantain and potato. So just a little bit. Everything to get mushy or break into the porridge. So guys, our porridge is ready. Look at it. It looks so beautiful. Trust me, guys, this tastes so good. It tastes so delicious. See you on the next video. Bye.